Hello, and welcome back to High Tech Picks. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best OBD2 auto scanners on the market, carefully selected based on expert recommendations and top-selling rankings. For the most up-to-date prices on each item, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, without further ado, let's jump in. Number 1. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. First up, the BlueDriver Pro. Imagine if your smartphone morphed into a mechanic's sidekick. This little blue dongle plugs into your car's OBD2 port and whispers secrets to your phone via Bluetooth. It's not just reading engine codes, it's spilling tea on your ABS, airbags, and even tire pressure sensors. The app serves up free repair reports written by actual mechanics. So instead of Googling P0171 code and falling into a Reddit black hole, you get step-by-step fixes like clean your mass airflow sensor you slob. Plus, it works on any gas car made after 1996. My Honda's been gaslighting me for years, but BlueDriver called its bluff. Here's the kicker. The app's live data streaming lets you watch your engine's vitals in real time. Rev the engine, watch the RPM spike, idle rough, see the fuel trim numbers go haywire. It's like giving your car a polygraph test. And for hybrids or EVs, sorry, this one's strictly team gasoline. Downside, if your phone dies, you're back to guessing. But for $100, it's like having a mechanic in your pocket, minus the hourly rate. Perfect for DIYers who want to flex their newfound skills at family BBQs. Uncle Bob, your catalytic converter's toast. Here's the report to prove it. Number 2. Foxwell NT301. Next, the Foxwell NT301. This is the I just want answers, not an app special. Plug it in, and bam, your car's problems flash on the screen like subtitles. No Wi-Fi. No problem. This thing's offline, like a grumpy librarian who knows everything but refuses to Google. It's got AutoVIN, which auto-detects your ride, so you don't have to type in your VIN like it's a ransom note. Perfect for when your 03 Corolla starts coughing like it's auditioning for a horror movie. It reads engine codes, checks if your car's ready for smog tests, and even clears that pesky check engine light after you fix the issue. But here's the catch. It's basic. No fancy graphs, no tire pressure scans. Just cold, hard codes. P0420. Yeah, your catalytic converter's retiring early. At $60, it's cheaper than a tow truck. Just don't expect it to explain why your oxygen sensor's staging a rebellion. I used this on my buddy's truck last week. 5 minutes later, we knew the EVAP system was leaking. 10 minutes after that, we found the loose gas cap. Crisis averted, $200 saved. Not bad for a gadget smaller than a TV remote. Number 3. Autel MK808BT. Meet the Autel MK808BT. The scanner that makes dealerships sweat. This beast doesn't just read codes. It commands your car to dance. Roll down windows. Test fuel pumps. Reset oil lights. Done. It's like having a remote control for your car's soul. The 10-inch touchscreen feels like an iPad dipped in motor oil, and the bidirectional controls let you poke at your car's brain. Why's the ABS light on? Autel says, let's ask the wheel speed sensor. Spoiler, it's always the sensor. Mechanics swear by its 28+ service resets. Think brake bleeding, battery registration. My cousin runs a small garage, and this thing's his MVP. Saved me from buying a $3,000 Snap-on scanner, he says. At $500, it's pricey, but still cheaper than one dealer visit. Pro tip, hide it from your friends. They'll ask you to fix their cars for free. Oh, and it works on hybrids and EVs too. Tested it on a Prius last month. Turns out the hybrid battery was napping. A quick reset, and it was back to sipping gas like a frugal hipster. Number 4. Launch X431 V Plus. The Launch X431 V Plus updates faster than your TikTok feed. Weekly software drops mean it's always ready for the newest cars, even those finicky Jeeps with their secure gateway nonsense. It cracks into hybrids and EVs, resets diesel filters, and even calibrates steering angles. The 10-inch tablet interface guides you like a bossy GPS. turn left at the throttle body. Last winter, my neighbor's diesel truck started spewing black smoke. The X431 V Plus diagnosed a clogged DPF filter and forced a regeneration. 10 minutes later, the truck purred like a kitten. Mechanics love it because it pays for itself in one job. DIYers love it because it turns "I have no clue" into "I'm basically a technician now." But fair warning, this isn't for casual users. If you're the type who panics at the word bidirectional, stick with the BlueDriver. But if you're ready to geek out on live data streams and ECU coding, this is your jam. Just don't blame me when your family starts demanding free diagnostics. Number 5. Topdon ArtiDiag 800. Last up, the Topdon ArtiDiag 800. This Android-powered beast is like a smartphone on steroids. It runs on Android 11, so technically, you could watch Netflix while scanning codes, but maybe focus. The 5-inch touchscreen and physical buttons make navigating menus a breeze. It cracks into Fiat secret codes, resets electric parking brakes, and even emails reports to your mechanic. See, Karen? I told you it's the oxygen sensor. Tested this on a friend's BMW i3. The ArtiDiag sniffed out a faulty battery module and reset the system without a trip to the dealer. At $250, it's for serious gearheads or that uncle who fixes lawnmowers for fun. Just don't let him near your Tesla. This scanner's not quite EV ready. Downside, the learning curve's steeper than a mountain road. But once you master it, you'll feel like Hacker Man from Kung Fury. I'm in the mainframe. And that's a wrap on our top 5 best OBD2 auto scanners, carefully selected from expert reviews and bestseller rankings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech picks. For updated pricing and more info, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks, and we'll see you in the next video.